want to discuss with you like why people are thinking about grammar part, because grammar is very tough for everyone. So this is good topic, I think, in my point of view. What do you say?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So according to me, like it's like his answer is given give you like good satisfaction is Rohit brother.
You post the answer to Rohit. Okay.
Wait,
First is
continue. Yes.
please go.
Yeah, Rohit,
Rohit.
speak.
Maybe to learn like from zero level. So you should start from tenses. How many kinds of tenses and what's the structure of sentences? Like sentences kind of three types: affirmative, negative, interrogative.
Okay. Okay.
Firstly, you
So
need to know about tenses and sentences as well as.
Mhm.
Yeah. Yeah. But
Okay.
Rohit, before that, in my
Then
opinion, I think there should be also a knowledge about parts of a speech, like noun, pronoun. That's why he can feel or she can feel more comfortable by making sentences or by reading sentences if they have some knowledge about parts of the speech. What do you think?
if you want to like say like that, so rest of thing apart from tenses, sentences, rest of thing, all things are important to learn.
okay,
Yeah,
great.
right.
Love. Well,
As per
can I?
point of yeah, as per my point of view, tenses and sentences are like most important to start learning English.
Okay.
Then you should keep practicing day by day.
Yeah.
You have to follow some consistency until you get that whole rule about tenses, sentences.
Oh, I see.
Okay. Can I try to give your answer?
Yeah,
Yeah,
of
sure.
course, of course.
Okay. According to me, if some person is beginner, according to they don't need to learn first of all sentences and tenses. First of all, they should focus only one thing: listening. And according to me, is like speaking. With the if someone is following a grammatical error, doesn't matter. Definitely, they will if they will get a knowledge this kind how to speak. If some person is the following grammatical error, I'm saying I have already told you, doesn't matter. Like, but is having some have a idea how to speak. Then if you say him, please right now you need to improve. How can then he ask you like, sir, yes, I can speak in English, but sir, I don't know how to speak in a with grammar. Like I want to learn grammar. They can use then please learn grammar. Then they can ask you like how to learn sir grammar. Definitely, if you say like you should learn first of all sentence and tenses, they can understand easily that time. If you some person is beginner and then you should say like please first of all you should learn sentences and tenses, then you should start to speak in English. I think it's not a good idea
Yeah, it's
according to me.
become complicated for them.
Definitely you can then you can't feel good. Even like according to when I start to learn English, I didn't learn sentences and tenses. I didn't learn any grammar rule. Then but that time I was also able to speak in English. But definitely that time I followed so many grammatical error. Then I decided to learn grammar. Right now I have read so many books about related to grammar. That's why I can speak in English with
But,
grammatically correct.
but brother, you must be learn like in school time, in college time.
Yes, yes. I think
How,
everyone can have a idea a little bit what is the sentences in sentences. I think it's not only me. It's not case only me. I think all each and every student have a little bit idea what is the importance of sentences tenses, but they can't speak in English because
I'm a,
they didn't try. I
I
think
am also telling same thing, bro. If
yes,
you
yes.
have
So
some kind of knowledge about tenses, sentences, then you can start learning English.
yes, yes, yes.
You can step
Like
up.
yes. Now I am going to major point importance of grammar.
Mhm.
Okay.
Because I faced so many problems. That's why right now I have
Yes.
an idea.
Yeah,
Importance
please
of the grammar.
share.
Like
Yeah.
like right now I'm conversation with you. I can make some mistake. They don't judge me my English. But if I will go to face an interview, definitely if I make there any mistake, they will judge my grammar and they will say, oh, please. Like if I say, I done this work, it's a wrong sentences. Like if someone is asked me, please tell me about your past. What did you do in yesterday? How was your
Yeah.
day? If I have no idea how to use it, if I have no idea, if I say, if some is please is a one example. If you ask me, Prashant, how was your day? If I have no idea like how to use it, so then I can say this was good. The sentence is wrong. You know,
Yes.
so it's the importance of
Right.
grammar. If you want to speak in English is good, I think you should is able to you should have a good knowledge about grammar. And second thing, in like right now I'm learning grammar, like so, and so many teachers talking to with me, and they have a good idea about the grammar. So they told me, now I talked in yesterday. One person he told me, Prashant, grammar is important, but it's a body language. And second thing is your speaking of way is very important. Like so many people are able to speak in English, but they don't focus on pronunciation. I think pronunciation is most important. You should focus each and every word, how to speak this word in good pronunciation. And second, like some people are it's I have when I was start to learn English, that time I was speaking very highly, rapidly. People didn't understand anything. Why? Because so some of my friend as like is a Rose brother, he's told me, Prashant, please right now you are able to speak English, but please please remove your speed. Because if you are speaking you are speaking in English in rapidly, if people don't understand you, what do you want to say? It's a totally worthless.
Yes.
It's like I have read in a book, that books according to that book, like speak in English is an art, like force, steps, like is and then stress. Every word have a sum of gestures. Like if I say how disgusting you, it's not a sentence. Like if I say how disgusting you, it's a great sentence. It's a sense. If I
Yeah.
say no problem, no problem, it's not a sentence. Like if I ask you, Samir, you ask me, Prashant, I want to meet you, brother. A long time I haven't see you, so I want to meet you. Then I say, okay, you can meet me. I will you can come with my home. I will meet you. It's not a sentences. It's not a
Right.
feeling. Then I say, yes, definitely, brother. Why not? I will meet you. Definitely. Please come. I'm waiting for you. Please come. Please tell me when you come.
Means you
It's
have to
called gesture.
express your mood according to your
Yes,
sentences.
definitely. If you are if you are give your face an interview, I think you should able to speak this kind of language. Definitely, some people always told what is the importance of communication. Communication is nothing. Communication is not related to English. Communication then you can relate your mother tongue is Hindi. Like some person is speak in Hindi like a game, like a you can say like awesome. Right? They use the word as a
Yes.
time by time. It's called communication style. Communication style, like a lot of people say, like I have conversations. A lot of people they say, I want to learn communication. I'm here because I want to improve my communication style. I think communication style is different. Nothing. Communication style is not related to your English. Okay.
Right, right.
So it's my opinion.